Are you tired of feeling like Windows 11 is constantly watching your every move? Or perhaps slowing down your PC with unnecessary background processes? Today we're looking into 5 of the most intrusive settings in Windows 11 that you should absolutely turn off. These aren't just about privacy, they can also improve your system's performance. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. If you're using Windows 11, you might not realize just how much data your operating system is collecting, or how many background processes are quietly running, eating up your resources. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 specific settings that I consider to be the most intrusive in Windows 11. We'll disable them step by step, giving you back control over your privacy and potentially boosting your PC performance. Quick disclaimer though, messing with certain settings can have consequences, but for these, it's generally safe and recommended for privacy. All right, first up, we're going to tackle tailored experiences. Windows wants to tailor your experience by using your diagnostic data, which includes how you use your device. This means personalized tips, ads, and recommendations from Microsoft based on your activity. While it sounds helpful, it's essentially a form of tracking that many of us simply don't want or need. Let me show you how to disable this. Go to your Start button, click on the Settings icon, go to Privacy and Security, go to Diagnostics and Feedback, and then scroll down and look for Tailored Experiences. There you can turn that off. You'll also see this option for Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Disabling tailored experiences is the main goal here, but personally I recommend sending required diagnostic data if you want to minimize data collection further. So you can turn this off. Next, we're going to talk about the annoying pop-ups and suggestions that Windows loves to throw at you. This is often driven by the setting Get Tips and Suggestions as you use Windows. While some might find these tips useful, they can often feel like intrusive ads or unnecessary notifications, cluttering your experience. So back in Settings, we'll go to System, Notifications, and we'll scroll all the way to the bottom to Additional Settings and turn off Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. You might also want to review other notification settings, especially for apps you rarely use. I turn this one off, and I turn this one off. This next one is a big one for performance and battery life. Many apps, even when you're not actively using them, are running processes in the background, consuming CPU, RAM, and battery. While some apps need this, like a messaging app, many others don't, and it's a huge source of unnecessary resource drain. Back in your settings screen, we'll go to Apps, Installed Apps, go through your list of apps and click on the 3 dots next to the app you want to check. Click on Advanced Options, and under Background App Permissions, adjust this to either Power Optimized or Never. Be strategic here though. For apps like your email client or Spotify, you might want them to run in the background. But for games, photo editors, or utilities you rarely use, setting them to Never can free up significant resources. Real quick, I want to tell you about my guides that I've created for you to download. This one is even free. Check out the links in the description. Have you ever noticed the recommendations in your start menu or sometimes within the settings app itself? These are often just advertisements for apps from the Microsoft Store or suggestions for files you might not care about anymore. It's clutter and it's intrusive. Let's turn it off. Back in your settings, we'll go to personalization, then we'll click on start, then we'll toggle off show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. This cleans up the start menu. You might also want to review show recently added apps and show most used apps. I also turn this off to clean up my start menu. Finally, let's tackle your advertising ID. Just like on your phone, Windows creates a unique ID for you that apps can use to show you personalized ads. If you don't want apps tracking your usage for targeted advertising, this is a must disable setting. So back in settings, we'll go back to privacy and security, go to general, and then toggle off let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. While you're in the General tab, it's a good idea to review the other toggles as well, like let Windows show me suggested content in the Settings app. I recommend turning most of these off for maximum privacy. And there you have it. By taking a few minutes to adjust these 5 intrusive settings, you've significantly enhanced your privacy and potentially boosted your PC performance. It's amazing how much control we actually have once we know where to look. Are there any other intrusive settings you think I missed? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, check out this other one for more tips on how to get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.